Markets froze in anticipation of today's important news from the United States. Even oil traders, who seemed resilient after several months of geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, are feeling the pressure. Contrary to the significant reduction reported by the American Petroleum Institute yesterday, the U.S. Department of Energy revealed a rise of 1.3380 million barrels in crude inventories. Following this announcement, oil prices immediately declined, almost returning to the levels they were trading at before the American Petroleum Institute data release. However, despite this drop in Brent crude prices, market participants did not rush to sell oil, and no significant changes were observed. The weekly analysis of trading charts shows that prices are holding within a tight range, with fluctuations of approximately 5%, which indicates a consolidation phase. And today, everything will depend solely on the inflation data in the United States. Even if the pace of consumer price growth remains unchanged, it may lead to a strengthening of the dollar across the board. The CPI report will affect all trading instruments, and the oil is no exception. We anticipate a resumption of the decline in the crude prices. Despite noticeable volatility, gold continues to maintain stability, trading around $2,030 per troy ounce. However, today's inflation data in the United States is likely to shake up the yellow metal. If the inflation trend convinced investors that the Federal Reserve will proceed more cautiously with its monetary policy easing, gold is very likely to start moving towards the level of $2,000 per troy ounce. As for the Russian ruble, we are seeing signs of independence from global market trends. The fact that the ruble remains stable dispels any doubts about the influence of oil prices on the Russian currency. And just 2 days ago, the strength of the ruble could have been attributed to rising oil prices, but following the same logic. The Russian currency should have decreased yesterday. However, this did not happen. Most likely, the ruble will remain unaffected by today's CPI data in the United States, as local factors have more influence on the currency, and the inflation data in Russia will be published tomorrow. Until then, the ruble is likely to trade in the range between 89 and 90 against the US dollar. At the time of preparing material for this video, we can see that the pair is trying to move lower. The ruble still has the potential to strengthen against the greenback, but probably only up to the November low of 88 rubles per dollar. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.